Hi, how you doing? My name is Armando. My company name is Classic Rim Repair. What we're gonna do is a repair here on this wheel. If you can see the scratches here and there, so you can see the before and after, and we're gonna make this look brand new again. Process is to sand this down and take all the scratches off, and then we're gonna paint it the same color and clear coat it to make it shine, and that's it. That's the process. So here I'm gonna start.
How long you been doing this?
Almost 30 years.
The rim? Only rims?
Only rims, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a long time. I've been in business for a while.
How did you start it? How did you come up with the idea?
Well, I used to own a liquor store before this. And
really?
Yeah.
You had a lot of clients then.
When I sold the store, I bumped into this by accident, and here I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So more or less, what are the prices? Does it depend on the car model, the rim, or what?
It depends on the damage. It starts at 150 and up. Depends on the color and the damage and how big it is, and that's about it. So normally when people want an estimate, I tell them, send me a picture, let me see, and I give them an estimate over the phone before coming over.
What about a Rolls Royce? General, like a scratch like this in a Rolls Royce?
I really don't go much by the kind of car. I go much by what I have to do.
Okay.
You know, if the color is a little bit complicated, it may be a little more, but nothing exaggerated. This is just plain water. This is called wet sanding.
So and some of them are like beyond repair, I guess, huh? At some point?
It's just like when you crash your car, sometimes you can take it to the body shop, sometimes you got to junk it. Same thing. But very rarely that ever happens, very rarely.
So in this case, only the paint got scratched, not the actual rim, or a little bit of a rim?
A little bit of the rim, not much. See, that's the key, to smoothing it out like this, so when I start matching the color, everything will look uniform.
Welcome to Miami.
I know. That's how it is. Either you like it or you don't.
So you just learned by doing it, or how was that process?
No. How did I learn this?
Yeah.
Oh no, some guy, I paid him $10,000 to teach me this.
Really? Oh wow.
30 years ago. $10,000 30 years ago. That was
a lot of money.
Yeah. Oh,
And
yeah.
what's more important? I mean, the sanding, you said, is very important to smooth it out.
Oh yeah.
The surface, and then what? Like what is the more difficult part? The matching of the color?
Well, you got to know how to match color.
Yeah.
This is a very difficult color to match, but
Yeah.
that's how it's done.
So this is like the old story about the guy who fixes a car or a piece of machinery and said, okay, it's like whatever, $150. What? Only for that? Yeah, but it's only $140 for. No, it's like $10 for telling you what the nail is, and $140 for how far you have to hit the nail down, right? Same thing here?
Yeah, but you know, the business came good because they only taught me the basic. As you do this over and over again,
Yeah, like anything else.
you run into things that you didn't learn, and you have to figure it out.
Yeah, like
But-
anything else.
Yes, but it worked out pretty good.
They say if you do anything for 10,000 hours, Japanese say that. If
Yeah.
you do anything for 10,000 hours, you become an expert.
Yeah, that is so true, and believe me, that is true.
So you've done more than 10,000 hours
Oh yeah,
in 30 years.
yes. I usually stay very, very busy all the time.
How many cars do you do more or less a week?
I usually do it by day. It depends how bad it is and how long it takes me, but normally I make 2 to 3 stops a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I figured about maybe 5-6 rims a day, more or less.
And people find you just like by
They
word of mouth, or people know you?
and he found me on the internet. He
Oh,
put rim repair near me, and I came up on the
okay.
page. So you know my ratings
So
are very good.
Google works.
Yeah, I got 5-star rating on Google. So when people see 5-star, people always call me.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna. Hopefully, they found this video too.
Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clean everything.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna start matching the colors. So it's another process there.
And again, rims have become more elaborate too. Like not only the design, but the materials and the painting itself.
Yeah.
So this is a Lexus family because you fixed the GX too.
Yeah.
The GX was difficult, or it wasn't? What this more difficult?
I don't know whether to call it difficult or not. If you look at his rim, he has two colors. He has silver and black.
Ooh.
So I had to work on both of them, you know?
So yeah, more difficult.
Yeah, it is. This is one solid color, so I guess you could say it's a little less difficult. But when you got two different colors next to each other,
Yeah.
it's more hard.
Yeah, the lining and
The line, you don't want to overspray the other color.
So it's spray paint?
Oh yeah, this is spray paint.
Oh,
of course.
really?
Yes.
Oh wow. So what about acetone?
No, this is like a cleaning agent
Oh, okay.
before we start spraying. So any grease or anything that's on it,
So the paint.
yeah, so the paint can stick very good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some primer on it, then I'm gonna start matching the color.
Okay. That's oil paint?
No. This is
water-based?
acrylic. No, not water-based. It's acrylic paint. It's the same paint they sell to paint cars.
That's clear, almost?
No. This is a primer.
Yeah, but the primer is kind of...
Oh, the primer is clear. You can't see it yet.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's a process, but I'll get there. I match your by eye.
You get high on that.
Smell that, boy.
Yeah.
It should dry in about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can drive your car. Everything's back to normal.
And you will never knew it was there. So it was sanding,
Cleaning,
painting, matching the color,
primer, matching the color, and the last thing is the clear coat.
a clear coat.
Yes.
So that's a little better than a Sharpie. Yeah?
Yeah. A lot of people put Sharpies so they don't see the white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your work is more professional, let's say, right?
Yeah.
A little bit.
It's a little bit better.
Thank you.
All right, you got it. Take care.
But that's it.